I was sitting on the couch and not hurting, and I thought, this is amazing. I had a severe pain in my right shoulder, under the shoulder blade. After speaking with her and her confidence in the machine and her confidence in the procedure, I was all for it, 100%.
I'm just so happy for Mrs. Smith. She was really game to give it a shot and be the first patient in Arkansas to try this device, and she has had amazing results. We talked about what her goals should be. She wanted to be able to garden and go fishing and play with her grandchildren, and now beyond 6 months after having the stimulator, she's doing all of that and more. And last time I talked to her, she said she didn't have a single bit of her pain, which is phenomenal. This one has a lot more automation because of the closed loop, so that people don't need to be touching their remote control to make those adjustments from hour to hour or minute to minute.
Being part of a research study, or this research study, it's been a pleasant experience. It's been eye-opening, and now I tell everybody that has a back problem about what I have and what it can do for them. And of course the people, everybody in the research department and UAMS have just been wonderful.